I'm Jon Schwartz, an investor, house hacker, and realtor in Los Angeles, California. You're watching Investment Property Nerd, and this is my weekly Los Angeles real estate market update for January 11th, 2021. And let me tell you guys, 1 week does not a trend make, but it looks like inventory is set to come back strong in 2021. Each Sunday, I review the week's MLS activity for Los Angeles County to bring you the latest in what's happening in our market. These numbers come straight from the MLS, and you won't find these graphs anywhere else because I make them. If this is your first time watching the weekly update, here's a quick explainer. Each graph covers the previous 12 weeks. The bars represent actual weekly numbers, and the lines represent a 4-week trailing average. This smooths out the noise and helps us identify trends. If you'd like to talk further about your buying, selling, or house hacking plans in Los Angeles, shoot me an email at john@investmentpropertynerd.com. All right, let's get into the data. Single family market activity came back strong last week. We had 987 new listings. That's double the previous week and triple the week before that. At the same time, listings leaving the market stayed pretty constant at 252 sales and 230 expired, withdrawn, or canceled listings. This brings our 4-week trailing average of net change in listings to 118. Inventory is off to a strong start in 2021. In sales activity, it looks like we're holding on to our average price per square foot plateau around $665. Days on market inched back upward in our trailing average, and list price to sales price ratio is back on the decline. Have we reached the top of the single family mania? I certainly hope so. In condo activity, same story. With 416 new listings, we're double the previous week and almost triple the week before that, with listings exiting the market holding constant at 96 sales and 106 expireds, withdrawns, or canceled. As we've discussed, condo inventory is not as constrained as single family inventory to begin with, and now even more condo inventory is coming to market. In sales activity, we see average price per square foot returning to its recent high around $560, median days on market continue to dip, and list price to sales price ratio holding steady in the low 99% range. These metrics indicate that the condo market is becoming a little more competitive, but with this new inventory coming to market, we'll have to see if these trends hold. In residential multifamily listing activity, we again have a relative flood of inventory with 127 new listings coming to market, 27 sales, and 46 expireds, withdrawns, or canceleds. Our 4-week trailing average for net change in listings is still negative after the sharp holiday contraction, but at least the trend line is heading toward positive. In sales activity, our average sale price per unit has bounced back from last week's low to the normal range around $410,000. Days on market dropped after a few weeks on the rise, and list price to sales price ratio is climbing after a few weeks on the decline. What does this mean? As I see it, investors took the holidays off, and now they're back. The Los Angeles eviction moratorium is set to expire on February 28th, and this could be giving investors hope that it's safe to start getting aggressive again. My feeling is that the moratorium is going to be extended, but either way, if you're capitalized to weather some non-payment of rent for the next several months, it's a great time to buy multifamily in Los Angeles. Thanks so much for watching this weekly market update. I've been promising to add some non-real estate metrics to the review, like COVID counts and unemployment numbers, and I again promise that those are coming. This update is an evolving project, so if you have any thoughts or recommendations, please share them in the comments below. Get in touch with any questions about the LA market, and I'll see you next time on Investment Property Nerd.